ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री राम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्रीरामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनं। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्री तुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्री तुलसीदासाय नमः। श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम। Hari Om, a very warm welcome. I am sure you all had a very good Ramanavami yesterday. Having said that, we will proceed further. We saw how Bhagavan's Maya, nobody can escape. And Naradji had Pratyaksha Pramana. All of us are also in that Maya, but we are still yet to understand that we are in Maya, under the influence of Bhagavan's Maya. We all need to come out of it. And Ramakatha will definitely give us a lot of occasions for us to understand that we are in the spell of Maya. Continuing the 141st verse. अपर हेतु सुनु शैल कुमारी, कहूँ विचित्र कथा विस्तारी, जेहि कारण अज अगुन अरूपा, ब्रह्म भयउ कौशलपुर भूपा, जो प्रभु विपिन फिरत तुम देखा, बंधु समेत धरे मुनि बेशा, जासु चरित अवलोकी भवानी, सती शरीर रही हूँ बौरानी, अजहु न छाया मिटती तुम्हारी, तासु चरित सुनु भ्रम रुजहारी, लीला कीन्ही जो तेहि अवतारा, सो सब कही हूँ मति अनुसारा, भरद्वाज सुनि शंकर बानी, सुकुचि सप्रेम उमा मुसुकानी, लगे बहुरी बरनय वृषकेतु, सो अवतार भयउ जहि हेतु, सो मैं तुम सन कहूँ सबू, सुनु मुनि समन लाई, राम कथा कलि मलहरनी, मंगल करनी सुहाई, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भय सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. Listen, O Shaila Kumari. Meaning what? Sunu Shaila Kumari, apara hetu. There is one more reason for Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji to take avatara in this Bhumandala, on this earth. Kahau vichitra katha vistari. I will tell you this particular katha elaborately. Jehi karana aja aguna arupa. Because of which? Jehi karana. Now see, Tulsidas ji is giving the various reasons for the avatar of Bhagavan. Bhagavan is the ultimate supreme Sat Chit Ananda Swarupa. Why should he come and do all that? For that the reasons are being given. Here is one more reason. We have seen two earlier. Jehi karana aja aguna arupa, brahma bhayavu kosala pura bhupa. Because of this reason, Bhagavan, who is ajaha, aja means what? Unborn. Aguna, who is beyond all gunas, trigunatitaha, arupa, the formless principle, Brahma Bhayavu, the one who is Brahma Bhayavu, he became Kosalapura Bhupa, he became the king of Ayodhya, Kosalapura Ayodhya. Jo Prabhu Bipina Phirata Tuma Dekha. Now he brings in the previous thing. There are some people, they will never allow us to forget many things. At home, it always happens. Generally, it is the other way. The lady keeps on, you did this, 17 years back you did this. Karke they might have they might keep telling. Jo Prabhu Bipina Pirata Tuma Dekha, that particular Prabhu whom you saw wandering in the forest, Bandhu Sameta, along with Lakshmanji, Dhare Munir Besha, he was wearing what? Muni Vesha. He has lost Sitaji, now they are searching Sitaji. That particular Bhagavan whom you saw, as what? Sati. You were as what? Sati at that time. Jasu charita avaloki bhavani. Jasu Charita, that particular Charita, Avaloki Bhavani, it drove you mad, isn't it? That is why Sati Sarira Rahayo Baurani, you were in the form of Sati at that time. Ajahuna Chaya Mitati Tumari. Even now, that shade of doubt has not left. Meaning what? It is still there. That doubt is still there. Who is that Rama? How can he be greater than my Bhagavan? That doubt is still there with you. Tasu Charita Sunu Brahma Rujahari. Now listen carefully. Sunu. Again and again he says, Sunu, listen. Tasu Charita. That particular Rama's Charita, whom you have seen, I will now tell you. Listen carefully. Leela ki nijote hi avatara. All the leelas what he did, all the sportive activities what happened during his avatara, so sab kahi hum mati anusara, act according to my ability. So sab kahi hum, I will tell you everything. Bharadvaja suni sankara bhani. Now please note, Yajnavalkya ji is talking to Bharadvaja, and Yajnavalkya ji is speaking about Shankara Parvati Samvada. And that is being heard by Bharadvaja Muni. Bharadvaja Suni Sankara Bani. Sakuchi sa prema uma musukani. What did he hear from Yajnavalkya Muni? He said, Uma, Parvati, blushed. You know, this is a very beautiful, interesting expression of love towards the other. When the other points out, you see, you did that at that time. And so she blushed. Okay, come on, go further. Don't keep reminding that. Why are you all the time reminding that? In a manner of saying, like how it happens to us. Lage bahuri parane brishaketu. Bhagavan, Vrishaketu, Shiva, then began to narrate the story. So avatara bhayavu jahi hetu. Avatar hetu. That particular reason why he took that avatara, that he started narrating. So main tumasana kahau sabu. Now I proceed, I will start telling you everything. Sunu Munisa manalai. Sunu Munisa. Hey Munisa, hey Bharadvaja, listen carefully. Now we have to understand. Yajnavalkya is talking to Bharadvaja. Listen attentively. Ramakatha Kalimalaharani. Ramakatha, Bhagavan's Katha, Kalimalaharani. In this Kali Yuga, it will remove dirt. Malaharani, it will remove all papas just by listening to Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra Ji's Katha. Therefore, listen carefully. Mangalakarani Suhai, it will bring auspiciousness and remove all our past, and it is a blessing. It is a great blessing. Mangalakarani Suhai. Continuing. Swayambhu manu arusata rupa jinate bhay nara srishti anupa dampati dharma acharananika ajahu gava shruti jina kailika nripa uttana pada sutatasu Dhruva Hari Bhagata Bhayavu Sutta Jasu Laghu Sutta Nama Priya Bratatahi Veda Purana Prasamsahi Jahi Devahuti Punita Sukumari Jo Muni Kardama Ke Priya Nari Adi Deva Prabhudina Dayala Jathar dhare ujehi krapila kripala Sankhya Sastra jina pragata bakhana Tattva bichara nipuna bhagavana तेहि मनुराज कीन्ह बहुकाला, प्रभु आयसु सब विधि प्रतिपाला, होइन विषय विराग, भवन बसत भा चौथपन, हृदय बहुत दुख लाग, जन्म गयउ हरि भगति बिनु, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। स्वयंभू मनु अरु सत रूपा, स्वयंभू मनु अरु सत रूपा. Swayambhu was the first Manu and his wife is Satarupa, consort. We should say consort. Now, what is this Manu? Manu is the one who governs the entire universe. And why is he called Swayambhu? The creator Brahma himself became Swayambhu and he divided himself into two. And the male was called Swayambhu because it was created by himself. He himself became Swayambhu. And the wife was Satarupa. One half was Swayambhu, other half was Satarupa. Right? Then, you know this Manu, we also chant in our Sankalpa mantra, Mamopata Samasadurtakshay Dwara. There we say, Vaivaswata, that is what we chant. Vaivaswata Manvantare Ashtavimshatitami Kaliyuge Prathame Pade Jambudvipe Bharatavarshe Bharatakande Meroho Dakshine Parsvets Kabde Asmin Yatamane Viharikeshasam Matsarana Madhye. And now Krodhi Nama Samvatsara. No, year has changed. Krodhi Nama Samvatsare. Like that we chant. So, Vaivaswata Manvantara is going on now. But the first Manvantara was Swayambhu and Satarupa. Now, each Manu have got their own time frame. We have discussed it earlier somewhere, I remember. But another occasion will come. At that time, we will discuss about the time factor of every Manu. Right now, Vaivaswata Manvantara is going on. Swayambhu Manu Aru Satarupa Jinate Bhe Nara Srishti Anupa. Of them, from that particular race were born this human race, okay, which is Bhagavan's creation. Dampati Dharma Acharananika. This Swayambhu and Satarupa, they together actually lived a very beautiful life. Dharmic life. Dampati Dharma Acharana. They observed all the Dharma and lived. Ajahu Gava Shruti Jin Lika. And their standard of morality was ultimate. And it is said, the morality that they set up, Ajahu Gava Shruti Jin Lika, is sung by Vedas. Shruti Jin, that particular life, Shruti Gavahi. Nripa Uttana Pada Sutatasu. And for that Nripa, that king, who is Swayambhu, his son was Uttana Pada. That was his son's name. And he also had one more son, Dhruva Hari Bhagata Bhayamu Sutta Jasu. That particular Uttanapada, he had a son who is the most famous, wonderful Dhruva. Very highly glorified, and Dhruva Nakshatra we all know, isn't it? That Dhruva was the son of Uttanapada, who was the son of this Swayambhu. Okay. Laghusuta nama Priyavrata. Manu's younger son, he had one more son called Priyavrata. Veda Purana Prasansa Hijahi. And all the Vedas and Puranas, they glorify. And Devahuti Punitasu Kumari. They have one more daughter called Devahuti, Tasukumari. Jo Muni Kardama ke Priyanari. She became the consort of Muni Kardama, wife of Muni Kardama, a very, very, very highly extolled Muni. And all these names what we are talking of, they are all of great relevance. Please note, keep them in mind. Adideva Prabhu Dina Dayala, Adideva Prabhu Dina Dayala, Jathara Dare Ujehi Kapila Kripala. Bhagavan himself became Kapila Muni in the womb of this wonderful, amazing Devahuti, great lady Devahuti, son of sage Kardama and Devahuti. Kapila Muni, he was the one who brought Sankhya Sutras, Kapila Sutras, it was explained very beautifully in Sankhya Karika. Anyway, these are all extra information just to keep in mind. You can always find it out later. But now we will proceed with the Katha, that is more important now. Tattva Bichara Nipuna Bhagavana. Kapila Muni he was Nipuna. Nipuna means expert in what? Tattva Vichara, in knowing the truth. The knowledge of the Supreme. Tattva Vichara of Bhagavana, of the Lord. Tehi Manuraja Kinhi Bahukala. Now this Swayambhu Manu, who had this glorious, descendants, that Manu, Rajakinhi Bahukala, he ruled for a long time. Here long time means we should not think of our style of long time. Their long time is several thousand lakh years, we may say. We will see, now you will see in this further today itself. Prabhu Ayasu Sababidhi Pratipala. He lived and he ruled. How? According to the Dharma. Vidhi. According to Vidhi. Followed all the Lord's commandments. Lord's commandments is called Dharma in a manner of saying. Alright. Ho in Bishaya Biraga. He said, I am totally into this Vishaya. Manu says, I am totally drowned in this Vishaya, in this ruling this kingdom, etc. And I have not got any Vairagya. Bhavana Basata Bha Chautapata. I have almost reached the fourth stage. Fourth stage is place when one relinquishes everything. Time for sannyasa. Brahmacharya, Grihastha, Vanaprastha, sannyasa. Manu says, I have already reached the fourth state. Time for sannyasa dharma. Hridaya Bahuta Dukhalaga. Hridaya, my heart is very distressed. Why? I am still caught up in this. Janamagayavu Hari Bhagati Binu. So many years, janmas have gone, passed away without Hari Bhakti. Manu says, look at that. Can we ever think of ourselves where we are? Continuing. Barbasaraj Sutahita Badinha Nari Sameta Gavana Banakinha Tirath Baranay Mishabe Khyata Ati Punita Sadhaka Siddhidata Basahita Muni Siddha Samaja तहि हर्षि चले वो मनुराजा, पंथ जात सोहि मति धीरा, ज्ञान भगति जनु धरे शरीरा, पहुँचे जाई धेनुमति तीरा, हर्षि नहाने निर्मल नीरा, आये मिलन सिद्ध मुनि ज्ञानी, धर्म धुरंधर नृपऋषि जानी, जहाँ जहाँ तीरथ रहे सुहाये, मुनि न सकल सादर करवाये, कृस शरीर मुनि पट परिधाना, सत समाजनित सुनहि पर पुराना, द्वादश अक्षर मंत्र पुनि, जपहि सहित अनुराग, वासुदेव पद पंकरुह, दंपति मन तिलाग, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। बरबस राज सुत हित बदीन्हा, then Swayambhu Manu called his son, and then he said, my dear son, it is now time for me to hand over the responsibility to you and retire. And Nari Sameta Gavana Banakinha, along with his wife Satarupa, he left for Vana, to the forest, for the next stage of life. Tirath Baranai Mishape Bikhyata. Bikhyata, very, very famous is this place called Naimisharanyam. This we have heard. It is somewhere near the Kanpur, Lucknow, a little Kanpur, Lucknow, and then Naimisharanyam. A very, 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 even Tulsidasi himself says, Tirtha Bhara Naimisha Bikhyata, very well known Tirtha Sthala. Naimisharanyam, Atipunita Sadhaka Siddhidata, which very many sacred people, very many munis go and stay there and conduct and perform tapas, very deep tapas they perform, and many even accomplish that realization of the Supreme. Atipunita Sadhaka Siddhidata. This particular place, if you look at it a different way, we can say this particular place called Naimisharanyam has given lot of great Mahatmas to our Punya Bhumi. Bisahitaha Muni Siddha Samaja. There are Bisahi Taha Muni Siddha Samaja, plenty of Siddha Samaja, great amount of Siddhas are there. Confluences will be there. They all would get together and talk a lot about the Shastra, Shruti, etc., etc. Tahiya harashi chale muni raja. Gladly, happily, in the heart, the king and his wife were proceeded to that place. Panthajata sohahi mati dhira. Mati dhira, the one who with a very strong mind, strong decision. Strong decision in what? A resolute mind, is required for such a great tapas, So with a resolute mind, Mati Dhira, Panthajata Soha, he walked on the road. He did not go by his chariot. He did not take his army. He did not take some sevakas, 4 soldiers, bodyguards. No. On foot. Panthajata soha himati dhira, jnana bhagati janu dhare sarira. When he and Satarupa, when they walked, it appeared as though Jnanam and Bhakti were walking together. What a beautiful description. Dhyana Bhagati Jano Dhare Sharira. In fact, Manu was an embodiment of knowledge and Shatarupa was an embodiment of devotion. Together they walked. Pahunche jai dhenumati tira. Together they went and reached where? Dhenumati. Dhenumati means Gomati river. Dhenumati means Gomati river near Naimisharanya. They went there to the banks of Gomati. Harashinahane Niramala Nira. Both of them delightfully. They must have walked such a long distance. The body also might have been tired. But then they took bath there as though, with lot of devotion, they are bathing. They are having that bath with delightful, pure mind. Harashi Nahane Nirmala Nira. With that, in that pure water, the pure minds. Aye Melana Siddha Muni Jnani. Now see, this is a very interesting thing. Manu and Shatarupa are very, very famous because they are the creator of the world. So, when they have come there, it is not that they went to any Muni or Rishi or something. Aye Melana. All the Munis and Siddha Purushas, having come to know that Manu and Shatarupa had come there, all of them came to meet them. Dharma dharan dharan riparishijani. Why did they come and meet him? Because Dharma, the Muni, Manu, he knows all the Dharma and therefore they came. Nripa Rishijani. Nripa Rishi. Nripa king. Rishi, the king who became a Rishi. Knowing that all the great Siddha Purushas, they came there. Jaha jaha tirath rahe suhaye. The Rishis and Munis then took them around. They took them around like a guide. When you go to some place, there will be one guide who will take you and describe this is that is that. This is where this particular great Mahatma was doing his tapas, etc., etc. They went jaha jaha tirath rahe suhaye. Munina sakala sadara karavaye. The sages, all these Munina, then not only showed them, they made them take bath in great waters, and then lovely spots here. When I say, it means very sacred spots, very pure spots, serene spots with full of sanctity in it. They did not go and show all the fanciful things. When we all go to some trip, we all go to see all the fanciful items. People don't enjoy even going to temple. When your father or your uncle or somebody takes you to all the temples, after some time you are tired. Why? I want to see that Disneyland. I want to go and see Niagara Falls. I want to go to that particular maybe pub. I would like to go to this particular resort. I want to go and eat all fanciful burgers and pastries and blah 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 blah. You know better. But then here they took them to all the wonderful sacred places. Krisa Sarira Muni Pata Paridhana Sata Samaja Nija Sunahi Purana. And there, together they discussed all Puranas and Veda, Vedanta, Shruti, the confluence of all the rishis. What will they talk about? They will talk about Brahma only, isn't it? Dvadasa Achara Mantra Puni. And together they will say it. And Dvadasa Achara. Achara means Akshara. That mantra which has got 12 Aksharas in it. What is that? Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dvadasa Akshara Mantra Puni Japahi Sahita Anuraga, with lot of love, with lot of devotion, all of them together will sit and take the japa of this Dvadasha mantra. The mantra which has got 12 syllables. Vasudeva Pada Pankaruha. Vasudeva, Bhagavan, Vishnu, Pada Pankaruha, having devotion at the feet, Pada, of Vasudeva, who is Bhagavan Sri Vishnu. Dampati Mana Atilaga. Dampati, the couple, Manu and Satarupa, they dive deep into the devotion of chanting the Dvadasha Akshara Mantra. Maybe for 2 minutes, we will also indulge in chanting this Dvadasha Nama Japa. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 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 Vasudevaya. All of them thus indulged in chanting the name of Bhagavan. Vasudeva Pada Pankaruha Dampati Mana Atilaga. Their mind was filled with lot of love and devotion at the feet of Bhagavan. Continuing. Karahi ahara sakha palakanda sumirahi brahma Chidananda Puni Hari Hetu Karana Tapalage Bari Adhara Mula Phalatyage Ura Abhilasha Nirantara Hoi Dekhiya Nayana Parama Prabhu Soi Aguna Akhanda Ananta Anadi Jehi Chintahi Paramartha Badi Neti Neti Jehi Beda Nirupa Nijananda Nirupadhi Anupa Sambhu Birinchi Vishnu Bhagavana Upajahi Jasu Amsate Nana ऐसे वो प्रभु सेवक बस आहई भगत हेतु लीला तनु गहई जो यह बचन सत्य श्रुति भाषा तो हमार पूजी ही अभिलाषा एहि विधि बीते बरस शट सहस बारियाहार संबत सप्त सहस्र पुनि रहे समीर आधार सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. Very beautifully it is said how they performed the penance. And this is the way it has to be conducted. We all people, many of us also want to have some vrata, want to perform some sadhana, etc., etc. But then, how a sadhana has to be performed must be known clearly before the commencement of the sadhana. A vrata, if you are taking, for example, we must know why we are taking the vrata. That is there. Along with that, how a particular vrata has to be taken up. Now see, in this very beautiful Chaupai, what are the steps one has to undergo to do penance, to perform penance. Now look at this. Karahi ahara saka phalakanda. Now in the kingdom, in the palace, varieties of food they would have had. Isn't it? All in gold and silver plates or this one, varieties. And that too a Maharaja, great, the ultimate Lord, honestly speaking. And how much of variety might have been eating. And now what does he eat? They lived on karahi ahara saka phalakanda. What they eat was raw vegetables, fruits and roots. No cooking. One has to shift from the normal food, one has to shift to the raw vegetables, fruits and roots. Sumirahi Brahma Satchidananda. The purpose is to think of Brahma and Satchidananda, not the recipes and varieties of food for eating. All those recipes and varieties of food must be given up. And then take to raw vegetables, fruits, plain fruits. And there again, do not cook anything, just eat. That's all, raw vegetables, fruits, and kanda roots. Punihari hetu karanana paloge. And then what happened? For few years, they took only that and then undergoing penance. The focus was not on what they were eating. The focus was on their penance, thinking of Hari, thinking of Bhagavan Sri Hari. Bari adhara moola phala tyage. And after some time, they even gave up roots, fruits and vegetables. And what did they have? Only water. This is how we have to give up food, From the great varieties of food, you should come to salads, fruits and roots. And then giving up salads, fruits and roots, one has to take to water. Not straight away say, Swamiji, from tomorrow, 41 days, Nirjala Nirahara Vrata, you will be in the nearest hospital in the shortest period of time. Think. So even sadhana has to be done with logic, with intelligence, not with blind faith. Not faith, blind belief. Or rather, Gurudev would say, foolish beliefs. There is a pattern to be undertaken. I will tell you about it. Let me complete this. Bhari adhara moola phala tyage. Ura abhilasha nirantara hoi. Nirantara. The only abhilasha, desire in the heart, ura, is what? Dekhiye nayana parama prabhu soi. The only desire in the heart was, I have to see that supreme reality. No other demand. Aguna akhanda ananta nadi. Who is that Bhagavan? That Bhagavan who is Aguna, the one who is beyond qualities. Gunarahita. Gunarahita has got two meanings. Aguna also has got two meanings. One is one who has no guna at all, meaning a very terrible person, rash person, reckless person. That also is aguna. But here it is not that. Here it is Nirguna Brahma. Aguna means Nirguna Brahma. Akhanda, who is everywhere. Without any parts. Akhanda is without any parts. Ananta, endless. Anadi, beginningless, meaning the one who is beyond time. Jehi chintahi paramaratha badi. Thinking only of that. I want to see that. And neti neti jehi beda nirupa. Not this, not this. I am not worried about the body, not the mind, not the intellect at the individual level, and nothing in the outer level. Nothing in the outer world. I want only Nijananda Nirupadhi Anupa, the one who is the Nija Ananda, the one who can give us Nija Ananda, because all these are ephemeral. They cannot give me Nija Ananda. Nirupadhi, who is formless, unconditioned. And then Anupa, incomparable. The one who can never be compared to anything. Sambhu Biranchi Vishnu Bhagavana. A number of Shambhus, number of Brahma, number of Vishnu Bhagavana, all of them, they what? Upajahijasu amsate nana. Shambhu, Vishnu and Shiva, all of them, the source of all of them is that Parabrahma Swarupa Paramatma. I want that alone. I say, O Prabhu Sevaka Basahi. Even such Lord, even that is what Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, all of them we see. Now in the pictures we see, they also meditate. Meditate on what? On that supreme Sevaka Basahi. They will also come and serve. Bhagata hetu leelata hugahi. Even his devotees, Bhagata hetu, for the sake of his devotees, he assumes a form. So that from the standpoint of the form, he can guide them, make them purify their mind and heart, and then with their pure heart, they can go beyond the form and reach the formless. Jauyaha bachana satya shuti bhasha. The truth of the Vedas is Brahman. Yaha bachana satya shuti bhasha. To hamara puja hi abhilasha. Our desire is to accomplish that. Who says? Manu and Shatarupa. Ehi bidi bite barash shata. Barash shata meaning what? In this way, ehi biti barash shata sahasa bari ahara. Shata sahasa. 60,000 years passed away. All of us may, with our limited understanding, we cannot grasp all this, numbers of the days and dates and all. Because we can't think beyond 100. 100 itself. 100. He's 100. Oh, Papa, Rama. They will go and fall at his feet. Achirwad kijiye. Why? 100 years. 100 years itself. Recently we had one of our member who celebrated 100 years in this place called Hubballi. Shri S.G. Deshpande, great person, wonderful person. 100 years, when he spoke in the mic, 100 years person, he spoke in English and Kannada. Many people there were surprised. At 100 years, he could speak. Isn't it? 60,000 years. Think of it. Our mind cannot think because these are all beyond human mind's level of thinking. Shatasahasa bari ahara sambata sapta sahasra puni. Sapta sahasra, 7,000 years. For next 7,000 years, they lived only on air. They even gave up water. This is the way a penance has to be done. So how do we go to that level? First, probably some people were non-vegetarians. Then they become vegetarians. They give up the non-vegetarian stuff. They become vegetarians. Then they become fruitarians, eating only fruit. isn't it? And from there they become what? Waterians, drinking only water, and then breatharians, if we may coin such a word, if it is there. So from non-vegetarian to breatharians, meaning what? You give up step by step. Not at a time, now I will give up food, I will give up that. All those are all unintelligent ways. See how beautifully they are teaching us how penance has to take place. We will continue tomorrow. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Sadgurunath Maharaj ki Jai.